Phasalo Agartala Sukanta Academy All India Building Congress Conference Panda Songsajakha Manjakha Transport Tourism Minister Sukanta Chaudhary Tei IBC Commissioner Rasokrobortino Khobe Tekubun Adongra
Ashali Panda Pulan Orisa Kandruwe Panda Manzakna Narway Rockno Lamzak Shogin Harka Aboniaglo Tatika Thermosungi Panda Tank Shawiroka Panda Manzakna Narway Rock.
Looking after the tourism department also, some speakers were very keen on discussing on external aided funds like Asian Development Bank. Tourism has been sponsored by the ADB worth rupees 200 crore nearly, and infrastructural work has been going on in full swing. And I give you an impression that in coming 2 years you will find a completely changed tourist destination across the state, and we are working on it very sincerely in connivance with Asian Development Bank, with direct sponsorship from Government of India Swadesh Darshan scheme and many other CDV, NESIDs. Those agencies have also extended their cooperation for the overall tourism infrastructural development in our states. So in the coming times, I don't have any iota of doubt in my mind that tourism in Tripura will be one of the main sources of livelihood earning. As of now, we have seen the educated boys and girls, people at large, they are dependent upon government job. They want to be employee, not employer. I had been to Narikal Kunj few days back on 3rd of this month to inaugurate Tripura Promo Fest 2024, which has started for the first time in Tripura. It was inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister. And you know Narikal Kunj, it has got a mesmerizing beauty to attract tourists from other parts of the country as well as from abroad. I give you the impression that the enthusiasm among the local tribes there was in peak. They have taken the initiative without active support from the government to construct homestay facility. And we have inaugurated 9 homestay facilities there. On being asked, that local tribal youths there, they confessed that they don't want government job nowadays. They are very well off and happy with the present process of tourism infrastructure there, and they are earning in lakhs per month. They don't want government job nowadays. So just imagine, from government part, if we can provide them in building up the necessary infrastructure with the active support from Government of India and other externally aided agencies, in the coming times we can change the entire horizon when it comes to tourism development in our state. And in that direction, the department has been working.
Northeast region of India challenges and way ahead. We have seen that massive developments are going on.
Of the Northeast. Thanks all.
Raja Khor Agolini Simi Omine Gokthum Chini Khorang.